abutan, hindi ko tapos. Fraternity, brothers as the hands of brothers, from the circle we, ever mindful, ever serving all humanity. Now we raise our grateful voices in our song to thee. May Alpha be Omega! May we always be.
Lord, teka lang, bago natin brothers and sisters, may message lang from our grandchild, Lord. Sa mga brothers and sisters na nakarating, maraming salamat. Next year ulit!